The IT Inventory module in TeamOB enables agent-based discovery of hardware, software, and network devices, giving you complete visibility into your IT assets in real time. The scan log displays a list of all PCs along with their installed hardware and software. Click Inventory for a centralized view of all managed devices. Click View PC to see the list of machines where the selected software is installed. Click the tabs to view the inventory of operating systems, processors, and Wi-Fi devices. Open the software list to view all installed applications in one place. Go to Settings to configure whitelisted software and define trigger schedules for automated actions. Thank you for your interest.